Hello guys, welcome back to our video. Ito easy. Let's go. 1 grandma cookies. Alam ko natin, nalaro ko na. I play these games before. Yan, ganun. Uy, lock door. Let's find cookies. Some kind of black cookie. Kind of trapdoor, bro. Anyways, punta tayo dito. We steal this cookie. I'm so sorry. Sorry, I didn't do anything. You're just too old, man.
Randy's coming to get you.
Di mo ko mahabol.
It was my glasses.
No.
It was my glasses. Where are my glasses?
No! Saan ba yun?
Give me the cookies back.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Let's just go up. Goodbye. Stop. Oh wait. Ano ito? Oh. No. Tulog. Naulit tayo. Saan tayo? Sa langit tayo. Di mo mahabol. Mabilis ako sa'yo. Tagal mo.
It was my glasses.
Uy. Okay. Uy. Ako nga pala yun, nahulog pala yun. I remember that. Pwede lang usugin. Who is this man? Why this man is proof? Iron Angels of Work. Walang daga. Lasir. Yan. Okay, boom. Ayan. Witch. Break the glass. Uy! Loud tayo. Trap. No. Wait. Nakita ko to. This could be it. Oh, namatay to. Ay! Ba't namatay ako? Pero malat. Okay. That's it. Hindi pa tayo magtatapos dito. Kabali. Ping. Wiggles. Bloop. El Gran Maja. Sea Eater.
Give me the cookies back.
No, I'm not giving you back. Where are you?
Come here, you.
Sea Grandfather.
Come here, you.
Lord, makaskip ako sa'yo. Kunin natin ito. Kaya gagawin ito. But, may candle dito. Para saan ba itong mga candle na to? Ito. Swim. Uy. Parang hindi na kaya nito. Wait lang guys. Tagal lang to. My god, what is this? Seriously? Oh man, naging buto pa nga yung ulo natin. Dapat pala din natin yung sinuot. Zombie na rin tayo. God, may batang zombie. Sorry. I never touch that. Bony guys. Di ko yung touching. Uy, ito yung bata. Uy, yung bata. Inulit tayo ng bata. Wala ako na dito. Uy. Ito ko yung entrance. Ito ko yung exit. Exit eh. Dito lang. Okay. There's so many zombified zombie. Mga zombified. Namatay na naman ang ilaw kasi habol tayo ng zombie. Uy! Di ko alam yun. Meron pa pala dyan. Dapat tumalon tayo. Tayo pa rin tayo. Kaya tumalon tayo. Wait a minute. Bakit ang tagal? Spawn again? No. What is happening? Anyways, let's just